Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I am making a potent hair growth oil using rosemary, coffee, castor oil, and coconut oil. Rosemary helps stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss due to its antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Coffee for hair growth doesn't just encourage new hair, it protects the lengths you already have. Coffee's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce scalp irritation, a common cause of hair loss. You can use this rosemary and coffee hair oil 3 times per week for best results.